Oh boy, you did get a chop well. You never hear about corona. You don't wash your hand with a sanitizer.
What? Sanitizer. I go tell for sanitizer. Every time they wash my hand with sanitizer. See my hand they pay me for sanitizer.
Your hand they pay you. You don't there, man. Never go buy kaka tartan. They wash your hand.
Why?
I don't know. The corona.
Corona.
Nah.
Nah. So this you know me well. See my hands. I don't cut my hair because that corona. But what I know, you know root me.
You know, that day never buy safe. In the smell for your body safe. Whether you carry the corona safe. I carry for the corona.
If I can, I go give you now.
No corona. Corona don't exist. You. I don't trust them.
I don't trust them.
I don't trust them. Since the time they say Ebola come, they wash hand with a salt. Come they bath with salt. Right now, corona don't come. They said they move by sanitizer. What if it's sanitizer? I got sanitize myself.
That is I better myself. We not baptism.
Oh, the church is idiot. If you don't do baptism, if you don't do baptism, I put the one in me. Look at you. You see cards. Corona, if you try call this Nigeria, this my friend where they will chop like a winch. Where do eat. Tired. I'll cook Igbo. I go beat you now. Come on.